Good afternoon to all participants, delegates, respected sir, and guests. On these notes, let's start a remarkable, memorable, and knowledgeable valedictory session. On behalf of the organizing committee, we sincerely thank the dignitaries for being with us this evening and enlightening us with their enthusiastic remarks. I shower my heartfelt gratitude to the professor and everyone for their wholehearted support rendered in the success of the faculty development program. Thank you so much, sir. So in this valedictory program, we have Professor Sharimar Majumdar, sir, Head of the Department of Information Technology, Tripura University, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Verma, Senior Technical Architect, Infosys Limited, Dr. Abhishek Majumdar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Tripura University. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Abhishek Majumdar, sir, to deliver a welcome note for us. Sir, please come forward.
Abhishek sir, your microphone is off.
Okay. I think I'm audible now, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir, it is audible, sir.
So, good afternoon to all of you. So, respected Professor Sharimar Majumdar, Head Department of Information Technology, Tripura University, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Verma, Senior Technology Architect, Infosys, my esteemed colleagues, research scholars, students, participants, a very warm welcome to all at the valedictory ceremony of 5 days AICTE Atal Academy sponsored online FDP on Smart City and Internet of Things. Finally, we came to the end of this 5-day Atal FDP. Today, I am happy to tell you that the university had organized Atal FDPs for last 3 consecutive academic years. In this academic year, our university is organizing 5 Atal FDPs, and out of them 3 has with this Atal FDP, 3 has already been organized. 4 Atal has been organized. 2 by the physics department, 1 by the IT department, another by this CSE department, and this is the first Atal FDP organized by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So during the FDP, experts from reputed institutes like IIT Guwahati, Hyderabad University, Delhi University, NIT Warangal, and NIT Durgapur were among the distinguished speakers. The speakers also include professionals from industry like Infosys. Not only technical, but a talk on health and happiness was also delivered by Padma Shri Pallada Ramarao. The speakers have discussed their research and industry experience in smart city and Internet of Things with the participants. During the FDP, the participants acquired knowledge about smart city architecture, IoT communication protocols, recommendation system, transmission techniques, IoT applications, and mobile cloud computing, etc. I believe the program will surely motivate the researchers, industry persons, and faculty members to pursue research and development of products in the field of smart city of Internet of Things. So because of the COVID situation, the FDP has been conducted online. Hopefully from the next year, we can be organizing this FDP, this type of FDP in face-to-face mode. So thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Rajesh Kumar Verma, sir, to share your experience as an expert, sir.
Good afternoon to everybody. And today marks the valedictory ceremony of the 5-day AICTE training and learning, which is known as the Atal Academy, and that has been sponsored as the online FDP, tackling the smart city and Internet of Things. I wish to convey my sincere thanks to the Vice Chancellor of the University of Tripura, and also to Abhishek sir and Swanibhat sir and all the HODs who have basically attended this particular program. I also wish to thank my sincere thanks goes to also Mr. Joylal for coordinating the whole event, and to the others who have attended this particular FDP. As told to you, we basically had a series of lectures from the industry experts as well as from the experts of the various academic institutions like the IITs, the NITs, the University of Hyderabad, and all this. And I hope that each and every one of you is enlightened with the IoT. To name a few, we had a few lectures by Professor Sudipta Roy of the Assam University and Professor Atul Negi, who basically had delivered a talk on the IoT communication protocols. We also had a few lectures by Professor Chabirani Pranigrahi and Professor Subhakumar Udghata, who basically enlightened us about the sensors that are used in IoT. And the last lecture that we had was with Professor Subhashish Das Mahapatra. So we had these various lectures, and I hope that you are enlightened with the IoT that we can use in day-to-day world, and we can better our lives, and we can get all the information from these sensors. I also want to take this opportunity to thank each and every body of the participant who has spent their valuable time attending this particular FDP, and I hope that you will take with yourself a lot of knowledge about IoT and implement it in your life along with your students and other people. Also, I want to say that this is a journey that you are having, and the journey has just begun with this particular seminar. There is a lot of things that needs to be done, and I request you to start rolling on this particular journey in a very enthusiastic manner by purchasing a few sensors, and you may purchase a few motherboards as well. You may also do it online, and you may use certain software to do the simulation, and that's how you can basically make your city a smart city with the use of Internet of Things. And you are basically the ones who basically need to make your city a smart city, and that responsibility is in you. In whatever small way you basically contribute, it will be for all the benefit of all the citizens of that particular city, and then you can replicate this particular model to the different cities that you come across, and you can make our country, India, and the entire world. You can also sell your technology, and you can make this entire world a particular smart place to live in. I also want to congratulate each and everybody of you, as you are the ones who are basically going to carry this information, this knowledge that you have gained, and you will basically make your own place, Tripura, first of all, and then you will basically replicate this model to every other place. With these words, I just like to tell you that please think of it as a journey and keep on going in this particular path, and one day you will be able to make our country a particularly smart place to live in. With these words, I basically congratulate each and everybody of you and wish you a very happy weekend. And I wish that you have a safe and healthy weekend and also for the days to come. Thank you very much for your valuable time in attending this particular FDP. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience. Now, I would like to invite Professor Shanirbhar Majumdar, sir, for sharing a vote of thanks with us. Sir, please come forward.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon to all. Firstly, very good afternoon to Rajesh sir, who happens to be my senior. I am seeing him after a long time, and obviously Abhishek and Joy and the participants. So, first of all, I would like to thank from the uh, computer science department, from the part of computer science department. I would like to thank the university for helping us to facilitate this program, and obviously effort that you have been for keeping up with this AICT affiliation. So hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes. So Abhishek has been putting up a lot of effort for this AICT for all the three engineering departments. So I'm very thankful. Because of him, we could organize from the last 3 years. We could organize this set of programs, and this is the first time computer science is organizing. But he has been helping us throughout in our programs as well. All the IT, we academic building 9 function as one, all the circuit branches. So along with the organizers, I would like to thank the university authority and others who have helped us directly and indirectly. And the most important, the participants without whom this program would not have been successful, and 12 speakers, including Rajesh sir, who has been one of the speakers, and they have been able to rope in Padma Shri, one Padma Shri also. That is a very big thing to rope in a person of that stature for a one session is a very big thing. Experts were from IIT Guwahati, like Ratnesh sir, Assam University, Chavi madam, and many more. So I would like to thank all the speakers and participants. Hope the participants have taken back something. There are pros and cons of this online program. First thing, many people can join in, as well as many people can avoid being on just by switching on the mobile and keeping it aside. You can say get the certificates without. So that's why the exam is there. I hope everybody will be benefiting from them. So thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. This is the thank you to all participants for your patience, and we have learned a lot for 5 days faculty development program. Thank you to all our speakers, our guests, participants once again. So now, actually, we will share the question paper to your WhatsApp group. Please kindly fill it up and send back to us. And this is the end of our 5 days faculty development program. So I believe that you regularly follow our mobile cloud, mobile computing lab. You can subscribe it also, and you regularly follow. If there is any update, we will share with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.